Good morning. Welcome back to another day. Today we are going to Broken Hill. It is current. Oh my god, my throat again. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning. Bike is all loaded up by my tank bag, and I'm getting ready to hit the road nice and early this morning. It's about another 5.5 hour ride again today. And I thought I'd leave nice and early because there is a place I really do want to get to and have a look around and explore. So let's jump on the bike and get going. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye. Hey guys, welcome to the Living Desert Sculptures. It's pretty cool. Well, I just finished up at the Living Desert Sculptures and Sanctuary. If you are coming through Broken Hill, standing the night or just passing through, I highly recommend making a stop and visiting here. It's absolutely stunning. But not only that, there's just so much to learn about the indigenous culture, all the different flora and fauna, the animals, the types of plants and stuff here, and how that impacts the way that the Broken Hill community lives today. So it's well worth the visit. It's educational and stunning.